Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create clips from a live stream on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can watch various different live streams by just clicking on it. Now, when you open up a live stream, if you wish to clip its video and save it onto your account, then within the video tab, you will see this clip icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And now this will open up the create clip menu. You can edit the clip that you wish to save. And once you are done with the editing of the video duration as well as the title, you can tap on the publish button. After tapping on publish, you can simply tap on the share clip button. And now you will be able to share this clip that you have just created on various different platforms. And through this method, you will be able to create various number of clips and share them with other users on Twitch. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create clips on the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.